Installing the shell plate with the shell plate carrier installed in the press. Drop the primer pin into the carrier with the short end down. Install the primer spring over the primer pin. Install the correct size primer trough. Place the shell plate over the index rod and onto the carrier. Raise the primer pin with your free finger and using a 1/4 inch nut driver, turn the index rod counterclockwise. Lower the carrier slightly and reinstall the case ejector pin. Tighten the screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Proceed to the zero adjustment video.